What is going on, guys? This is my MMA boxing tutorial, another series, another part in the series. Basically, this is for if you want to punch 2 times in a row, like this, two straights, or two straights, whatever, two straights, two hooks, two uppercuts. It's for that. That's what the training is for. It's a very simple but effective exercise. We'll also be throwing in a couple more upper to lower punch combinations that implement our double punch 2 times in a row. Couple of combinations, upper to lower punch combinations. Let's get it started. First of all, you're going to start small. You're going to start with a few punches at a time. You're not going to tire yourself out or struggle, because you're going to be doing it over and over again. That's how we're going to build some smooth skill sort of thing. That's just to get it in your head, guys, because that's my method. Don't tire yourself out or struggle. You're going to be doing it over and over again. You're going to start with a few punches. You're going to build up. The more you go, the longer you can go, and the lighter your punches you'll get, the faster they'll get, and the better you'll be at boxing. You're going to go and go until you're good. Start small, and then you'll get faster and faster, and you'll go longer and longer, and then just keep going until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that, guys. Now I'm going to demonstrate my exercise. Alright, guys, let's get it started. Remember, start small, build up. You'll go longer and longer until you're good at boxing. And then just go until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. Now I'm going to be doing right-handed stance. I trained enough in southpaw already. I trained in my right-handed stance at first until my body, I'm not sure what happens. I think you want to switch to southpaw, or your body wants to switch to southpaw after a while, or you become good at southpaw sort of thing. You feel it in your body. Your body says, oh, you're good at southpaw, you should probably switch to southpaw for a while, sort of thing. That's what you'll feel if you train in your right-hand stance enough. That's when you probably should switch to southpaw for a little while. But you don't have to. You can train your right hand stance for as long as you want. Anyway, this is it. You're just going to do this. What I'm doing is called punching the air like this. It's called shadow boxing. You're just going to do 3 punches at a time. 1, 2, 3. Block. Then the hooks. Uppercuts. Good enough. You're just going to do that exercise to get good at punching 2 times in a row, even 3 times. 2 times in a row. You're just going to be in a fight, and sometimes you're going to punch 2 times in a row like that. Simple as that, guys. You're going to practice that. Simple as that. Remember, go until you're as good as you want to be, till you can go as long as you want. Whatever is healthy, whatever's considered healthy, a long healthy time, as long as you can, as long as what's considered healthy. This is going to be a raw video. I'm going to take a quick break. Maybe I should just wait here, wait it out, show you guys what it's like to be in workout mode, practice mode. You just, if you keep your gloves on, take a little break and go again. I'm going to take a little break now. Yeah, guys, take a little break. Keep your gloves on if you want. Take a quick break before you go again. What it feels like to be in a sort of like a constant workout mode where you just choose to work out. You choose to work out all constantly, basically. You would keep your gloves on and continue boxing for a while. I'm just gonna wait the duration of the break. Alright guys, that's good enough break. We're gonna go again. Remember, follow as I do. This is a simple but effective exercise if you're trying to do 2 or 3 punches in a row with the same hand. Hooks. Yeah, that's it. And then uppercuts. Alright, that's good enough, guys. Simple exercise. A different style of practice. Basically, I was doing 1-2 combinations a lot. It would just be like literally just a 1-2 combination, switching in between different punches each time, in between 1-2 combinations. There was nothing but 1-2 combinations. We have a lot more to cover. We have more combinations and stuff. Instead of just 1-2, I'll demonstrate one right away. It's a 3-punch combination. We're gonna include it. Remember, you could, anyway, yeah, I'll demonstrate it. The 1-2 combination. Three punch combination this time. Alright guys, this is it. We're gonna be doing 2 straights and a lower hook. Let's demonstrate it. Alright guys, good enough. We'll show you the hook version in a bit. The hook version, it's the same thing, the 3-punch combination, but we use hooks instead. Upper to lower punch combinations. There's a lot more to cover. There's 3-punch combinations, 4-punch combinations, all kinds of combinations to cover. But I think, honestly, if I'm being honest, we'll only have so much during my whole lifetime of YouTube. I think we'll only have enough time to cover so much, sort of thing. But we've covered a nice amount of stuff. Some upper punch combinations, then we did lower to upper punch combinations, then we did some other things. Like, it's all pretty good. Take a break. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the hook version now. Hooks. Good enough. We can do other combinations too. Good enough there. We could do something like this. Or we could go like 2 uppercuts. Simple stuff, guys. Practice those. That's everything for now. Punch combinations, upper to lower. Plus how to punch 2 or 3 times in a row with the same arm. And that's everything for now, guys. Remember, go until you're as good as you want to be. It's pretty simple. Put in the time. You won't regret it. That's it.